Okay, in this video I'll be installing some interior floor lights so it's not so dark early in the morning or late at night, because I dropped something down there once and I couldn't find it while I was driving, and plus it might look kind of cool. So we're gonna take off this door sill first, and that kick panel pulls straight back and there'll be a whole bunch of plugs and shit in there. I'll poke around and find the one for the parking lights, and we're gonna hook up a wire from there to go underneath from driver's side, and it also is gonna shoot across to the passenger side. Okay, the parking light wire is, I just dropped the dash, 2 10 mils, one here, one on the opposite side, and this thing pops out. The fuse box is right here, and there's 2 plugs. 1, 2. It's the top plug, green wire. On the right side there's 2 green wires. You want the one that's the furthest on the right, and we're gonna tap the positive there, and I see a ground up there that I could probably use, so we're gonna hook up our wires right there and drop them down. So these are the lights I went with. They're RGBs, and depending on the configuration of those 3 little switches there, it'll change different colors. So I set the 2 floor lights to purple, and I set the trunk light to white. I soldered on some leads, and then I put a piece of heat shrink around it, and I believe I'm going to hot glue them into the car so they look nice and they work. Let's go put them in. Okay, so I got them installed. You can see it. Fuck it, it's up under there, directly into there, directly into there. Sweet. I will tell you one thing though, running the wire from this side to that side, holy cow. Basically I used a piece of piano wire, and I just taped the wire to it, and it seemed like the only place I could get it was right there at the bottom where this black thing meets the gray thing, right in there in the bottom. But it was just like a little pathway, and it made it all the way across. It took me about 15 minutes to poke and poke and poke till I finally made it across, but once I got it, it was all easy from there. Just plug and play, and then I used some hot glue and stuck it up there and stuck it up there. Can't see it, it's clean, and I don't know, it looks pretty cool.